I just bought a new car, so come with me to put on my new accessories.
I did order some stuff off of Amazon, but the first thing that we're gonna do is the license plate.
Oh yeah. Well, she moved it. It's this cute fuzzy. It's just cute. Take off this old one. This one literally came with the car. Ooh, girl. It's still brand new. I don't think they used it for that long. But oh girl, help. This is not gonna be good. Okay, honestly, it's giving cute. Okay, that's on. We're gonna try to put this on here. Give me a second. It is a bit tight, but it did go on, it fits. And it's cute. Look at how cute. Now it definitely matches. It looks so cute and it's so fuzzy. It's just beautiful. Last but not least is gonna be the windshield wiper cap. It was missing when I got it, which I'll show you as well once I find it. That's what we need to put on this.
This broken?
This is the broken one. And we're gonna put the new one on.
Pretty sure it fits. Put it on.
Freaking went on, I fixed it. So now I have like a little cap. There!